guys, how you doing? Happy New Year, happy 2026. Oh my gosh. First of all, welcome to a new year, welcome to a great year. You know what, I don't know if I should go sit there by the corner or in the done. Let me just do this. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Nyangazi gama lami nguNonhlakanipho, if awungazi bandla uNonhlakanipho abantu baseGoli bangibiza ngoNoni. I have just come back from a walk because today I'm not working. I tried doing an indoor walk for 30 minutes, but it didn't give me the targeted number of steps that I want. So I'm almost at 9K, which is still better than not getting 10K. Yeah, so it's currently around almost 9 p.m. It is the 9th. It's the 9th of January. Yes, we are back with a bang. Happy New Year to us. Okay, I need to tie this hair. I need to sit down and I need to talk to you properly. Isn't lighting so great this side? Oh, Sanaram, I think I'm gonna sit down and put the tripod and phone on the bed because I'll probably get good lighting. Let me sit. What do you even mean we have great lighting? Oh my god. And I'm already seated, so I can't tie this hair. It's okay, guys. I did this hair on the 30th. It's been a week, but it's not bad though. I mean, yeah, pap. Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Yeah, you know, I have been battling with Oguti, should I start vlogging for the year or should I leave it until February, because January is a very, hectic month for most Christians. Like, we just want to, do your fasting and prayer without any distraction. But then I thought, life is still going on. I'm still going to work. Another part of me did feel like I wanted to, just breathe, but I'm always breathing. Yeah, I'm one person who I love showing up to my best self, and not just, showing up just because I have to show up. But now, again, I had to remind myself, Uguti, why am I doing this YouTube thing? It's mainly because I'm not a person who takes pictures. So I just want to, create memories for myself and be able to look back. I want to document my life as raw as it is. So now if I'm going to sometimes take a break and breathe and say, oh, can't do this, then it means I'll look back and think, oh my gosh, and actually regret why I didn't vlog. So having said that, I am vlogging. This is a new video. So thank you. Earlier on, I received a SHEIN order, one of my SHEIN orders, and then I just opened that package and yeah. So I want to talk about my skin first. Y'all know I've been struggling with my skin for the longest time, like all the years of my life, and this year was even tougher. I've been using this combo for almost 3 months. So I repeated these two. I bought these two twice, and these lasted me until now. It's almost finishing. Nale sunscreen is about to finish as well, and then I'd use this for my nighttime. Products tried to help me, right? But they kind of like will hush on my skin, and I started scarring and. But guys, I am betting on this girl forever. I am betting on this girl forever. I ordered another one from Amazon, so I'm gonna wait for her to be delivered, I think around the 20th. I am so happy. Yes, of course, I've also been using this skin nutrition collagen pills, and I am still yet to find another product. Like K-Beauty is doing the things. I'm gonna find another product that will just help me. You see, I no longer have crazy dark spots like acne name, hyperpigmentation. Like literally I feel confident to not even wear makeup. Yeah, so it feels so good to just be walking, you know, bare face. And, you know, even at work, I haven't been wearing makeup. Well, I've been, you know, every now and then. I think I've done makeup twice since I started using that product. Yeah, so I'm still looking for other products that are gonna make my skin look better, look more lively, give it a glow, you know, a natural glow. I don't wanna be a yellow bone. I just wanna feel good in my own complexion. Yeah, guys, this is a new vlog. As I was doing my steps, putting in my steps, I did go to the mall, and y'all know by now that's oh, Zara, Sanasam, it's my weakness. And now today they actually have a 40% sale, so I grabbed myself a little January treat. It's quite my sister, and I say $8. I got myself this little cutesy bag. She's gorgeous. She was 22 euros, and then I got her 30% off. That's how I'm gonna my perfume, and I need to restock on my perfumes, on my Zara perfumes. Okay. Let's just give her a little unboxing. Well, ngisathi ngiyehlisa bandla camera. Okay, this is the inside. She is dead gorgeous, and then she has a Zara branding in here. Then this is the belt. I guess she's gonna be so perfect for lunch dates. I'm a branchy baby, and I need to solo things this year. Okay. Okay, ngimfaka phi? Oh, here. Ne? I guess so. So I got myself this bag as a January treat, and Also, you know, December, I needed a break, so I needed some retail therapy as well. Yeah, I guess this thing goes in here. She is so cute. She is so cute. Okay, I do prefer this than this. I wish I could stand up right now, but yeah, I can't. I also got myself a low mug from JYKS for tea. I'm such a coffee drinker, so I was like, during my fasting, I'm going to make sure that I drink tea. So I bought this so that I enjoy having tea. Isbambo sakona is green and she's transparent. And then I bought this flavored rooibos. Let me see how it is inside. Okay, normal. Actually, I'm gonna make myself some tea right now. Yeah. So guys, I'll see you when I continue vlogging. God give me grace, give me strength, because I'm gonna need it. Yo, I'm gonna need it. Yeah. Let me love and leave you for now. I think showing up is actually has to be one of the most difficult things you can do in life for yourself. In these days, I keep saying to myself, it's very important to keep the promises that you make to yourself, because that actually is the greatest form of showing up. I was just sleeping. I woke up this morning around 10 to get ready to go to look for gym. My housemates and I want to start going to gym because we actually do take our dogs. Like, she does it every day, every morning. That's a commitment that she has done for herself. Imagine if this world was clean. Imagine if this wall was clean and white. Remember I told you guys that I could do something about these walls in my room, because this whole apartment needs repainting, but they haven't been able to do that for us, and they said we are not allowed to do anything. So I can't paint these walls. As disgusting as they are not my walls. And yeah, this is just the situation that I'm living with. And I'm just actually reminded now as I'm shooting this that, like, the background it's not giving. Guys, I really want to just, you know, try and do a recap, a 2025 recap, but camera yami, my phone and space, it's the death of me. But I actually hopped in now because we have a SHEIN order. I am so excited about this particular order. I hope that everything that I bought actually I hope that everything that I bought, they actually come out the way I think they should. Let's get into this SHEIN haul. What I'm about to show you, I am nervous because I've been wanting this dress. It was either I take a brown or this color, but because I gravitate mostly towards browns and I was like, let me just take the orange. I hope it's nice, I hope it fits, I hope it's the dress. She is cute. She is so cute. Oh my god. You know what? I am planning on doing a Valentine's. And I thought I was gonna wear this other red dress that a friend of mine gave me before I left South Africa. I have an outfit for it. Plus, the weather is cold, so you know it's giving winter, but like cute. Okay, I'm happy. Also, the fact that I went to look for gym and didn't take you guys with, I'll get better. Let's get down to this haul because I don't want to lose space. Yes, we are seeing that slowly. So first and foremost, we have slippers. I saw this from Duches's I almost said Team Finds, SHEIN, whatever, because I think she's a SHEIN influencer as well. So I thought I will trust her judgment. These are so cute. These are so cute. I've been needing slippers, morning slippers, for a long time, and finally got, because also you want to buy something that really sits with you, like something that you really like, guys. You can't just buy morning slippers and just. They have a hard sole, which I really love. Yeah, I'm gonna try them on later. Velego is stop and go because I don't want to like disappoint it in the middle of the video and then, but honestly I'm excited. So far so good. This package is everything. So these are the sunnies I bought. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. They're nice. You are nice. In fact, you are gorgeous. Oh my god. Guys. Okay, let me just put this down. Because otherwise we'll pay out in, you know, with some red lippy or some glossy gloss. But see, that time I'm cooking his hands. But see, oh guys, I love them. I love them. So cute. They're giving Galaxy Boy or Prada. Okay. I am so excited. I'm so happy. I am honestly happy. I don't remember this, but yeah, I guess something I needed. Oh, it's these long pants. Said tummy. Plus, in your journey gym, this was one I said gym in this. I thought I was buying them for work. Pela, when you go to work, you must be comfortable as possible because and I always see other people driving in like nice dresses and then heels, and I think, will I ever get there to actually dress up and look so nice and then wear heels and driving them. Maybe I'm automatic and hands about Emmanuel, because I literally feel comfortable driving in one shoe. But again, I'm still a new driver. So also like in the new when I'm driving, like I feel like they just contribute on how comfortable I am on the road as well. But yeah, that's besides the point. I love them and they will fit me. Exciting lento ukuthi ngiyayibona lezi zinto sizomlingana. You understand? The joy. I also got these leggings. Hey, okay, they stretch. They are in a size medium, I think. But they're cute. The quality of the material, honestly, on all these things that I've showed you guys, it's perfect. It's gorgeous. I love it. Actually look like what I bought. It's a skirt. It's a skirt. I'm gonna stand up for this. Oh my gosh. You guys don't understand. You guys don't understand how excited I am. How exciting it is to be able to buy myself clothes. Yeah, 2025 was such a turning point for me. I never thought that I would be in this state of life in my life. I never thought at some point I could barely afford rent. In 2024, I know there was 1 month where I was so late with my rent. I got what's the name of that letter, man? When you are late with your rent, I got that letter. I had overused all of my savings, because the first half of that year, for a full 6 months, I was living on my savings. So, like, if I get excited like this, and if I share this as a testimony, it would, wow, I can actually afford buying myself clothes. It's not something small at all. It's not something small. I don't take this lightly. I feel like, oh wow, when the Bible says that he dresses the lilies with beauty and splendor, and when he says that, when it says that if he feeds the birds of the air, you know, why must I worry? I am living in that. I've always been living in this. Like, God has always provided for me, because even in me being able to just afford barely like basic needs, because I could only afford rent, food, that's literally my whole life. My whole life. That's all I could afford for myself, basic needs. I could not afford anything beyond rent or gold, because sometimes I would actually struggle even with transport money, you know. And actually I had much better days when I was a backing vocalist than when I was in a 9-to-5, you know. And I feel like I'm just all over the place, because it is so surreal to me that I'm here now, living in this moment. If you've ever been in a deep dark place, or if you are in that deep dark place right now, just know that you're gonna come out of that place. You are like, it doesn't end there. Your story doesn't end there. And we're not glorifying material things, no. But all I'm saying is, your story doesn't end there. One way or the other, you're gonna come out of it. I wish I could do a 2025 recap for real. Let me continue with the haul. This haul because this is a petty space. Did I tell you that I'm wearing my new skirt? It was like I knew that I was gonna look for a gym. I actually bought this set for when I take my walks. But it's not so like, because now I'm gonna be a gym girly. And the most reason why I bought this is because of can't wait. Sengivele ngayikhipha zonke izinto. I bought tongue cleaner, tongue brusher. I'm not even gonna unbox it. Bought these cups for when I am washing my face. Luckily enough, I now have two because I got others as my Christmas present. Super grateful. I bought this razor blade because I need to try and tweeze my brows. Yes. And I bought this. It's a head thing. And I bought these other ones when I was taking my yoga, but they were like kind of like small, so I wanted the one that will fit, you know, the whole head. This is bigger. What's this? Oh, bonnet. Also bought another loungewear, gym wear. Also exciting thing about it is this the legging. The material is good. But sockies, because obviously I'm gonna be wearing sneakers for gym. I'll need variety and a lot of sockies. Last but not least, oh, I hope this dress looks good and I hope it fits. What do you mean? It might be just a bit big, but let's not judge it yet, guys. This is honestly all I got for now. This is all I got, and I'm excited, and I literally feel like I'm not even ashamed of being excited here and loudly and publicly, because I mean, I am excited and I am so glad for these. I feel so good about these. at the moment.